Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here, inviting you to join me for a journey into geotechnologies offered through the fabulous campus of Midland College 3-day hands-on course, introducing you and empowering you to use geotechnologies, geographic information systems, GPS and remote sensing, and the power of spatial thinking. You'll learn how to collect and map field data, create 2D and 3D visualizations, and analyze change across space and time to uncover patterns, relationships, and trends. Using the ArcGIS platform, ArcGIS Online, ArcGIS Pro, dashboards, story maps, ArcGIS Survey 123, and field maps, you will gain practical skills in data formats, projections, symbolizing, editing, measurement, and much more. Now, this course emphasizes real-world applications across engineering, planning, business, energy, natural resources, health, and more. By the end, you will be prepared to apply geotechnologies to make sustainable, equitable, and resilient decisions while enhancing your career readiness in a wide variety of fields. And I would say in a wide variety of settings: government, nonprofit, industry, and academia. Join me February 24 through 26, 8:30 to 5:30 p.m., hands-on, immersive, fun, relevant, timely course through Midland College. Go to the Midland College software training. It's under the Oil and Gas Professionals Zone, course offerings February 2026. If you're interested, see that page, and if you've got more questions, just jot me a note. Thanks, and I hope to see you there.